Hi there, Teacher Mike here. In this video, I'm going to show you how to color in some fractions on a bird fractions worksheet. So let me move my camera so you can see my paper. Give me one moment, please. All right, so here is my Math Connection fractions. You have these pictures of birds, and there are little circles in each one, and each one is a different fraction. So these circles are already split up into these circles have been cut up into different amounts of fractions. So we are going to color them in and then write the fraction for each bird. Go like this if you're excited. Me too. All right, let's start right here. So this bird circle has been cut into 4 pieces already. So I'm going to use a pencil. I'm going to use a writing pencil to write all of my fractions, and then I'm going to use color pencils to color in the different fractions, okay? So when we're writing a fraction, we start by writing a horizontal line, and the number that goes on the bottom is the number of pieces that the circle has been cut into. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So I write a 4 right here. Okay. Now I get to choose how many pieces to color in. I am going to color in 1 piece. Just 1. Okay. And for my fraction, the number on the top is the number of pieces I colored in. I colored in 1 piece, so I write 1. Then I can read this fraction, 1/4. And this is what 1/4 looks like. This blue piece is 1/4 out of the whole. All right, let's do this next one right here. So I start with my horizontal line. It's been cut into 1, 2, 3 pieces, so the 3 goes on the bottom. Now I get to color in how many pieces I want. I'm going to color in 2. 1 piece, 2 pieces, so I have 2 pieces colored in, so 2 goes on the top. And I can read this, 2/3. This is what 2/3 looks like out of a whole. Let's look at this one. So this has been cut into 1 piece. So let's do my fraction, 1. So this is 1 piece, right? So my horizontal line, I write a 1 on the bottom. And I'm going to color in 1 piece. So this circle is whole. It is still whole because it's still 1 piece and there's no pieces missing. So I colored in 1, so I write a 1 on the top. So I can read this, 1 whole. 1 whole. That yellow circle is whole. It's all there. Let's come on over to here. So let's do the horizontal line right here. It's almost like it's coming out of the beak. It's been cut into 1, 2, 3 pieces. So 3 on the bottom. And I get to decide how many to color in. I'm going to color in 1. Just 1 piece. So if I color in 1 piece, I write a 1 on the top. So I can read this, 1/3. And this is what 1/3 looks like. This red piece is 1/3 out of the whole circle. Let's come down to here. All right, let's do my horizontal line. We have 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 goes on the bottom of my fraction. I'm going to color in 0 pieces. So I'm going to write a 0 on the top. So this is 0/4. Nothing's colored in, so it's 0. 0/4. Haha, pretty cool. Let's come to this one right here. Let's write it. Where should we do it? How about right here? So my horizontal line, and there's 1, 2, 3 pieces. 1, 2, 3. Oops, sorry. That's my 3. And I'm going to color in 1, 2, 3. I'm coloring in all 3 pieces. So I have 1, 2, 3 pieces colored in, so I write a 3 on the top. And I can read this, 3/3. This is what 3/3 looks like. It still has all those pieces, 3/3. All right, let's come on over to this one. So horizontal line. It's been cut into 2 pieces, so I'm writing a 2 on the bottom. And I want to color in 1 piece. There we go. So I have 1 piece colored in, so I'm going to write a 1 on the top. And we read this 1/2. So this is 1/2, and this is what 1/2 looks like, 1/2. Let's come on down to this one. Ooh, this is cut in the same amount of pieces. So let's do my horizontal line. 1, 2 pieces, so I write a 2 down here. And I want to color in both pieces. 1, 2. So I have 2 pieces colored in. I need a 2 on the top. And I can read this, 2/2. So over here I have 1/2, and here I have 2/2. This is what 1/2 looks like. This is what 2/2 looks like. So 2/2 is more than 1/2. All right, let's come down to this one down here. Do my horizontal line. How many pieces? 1, 2, 3, 4. So let's write a 4 on the bottom. And I want to color in 3 of these pieces. So I have 1, 2, 3. So I colored in 1, 2, 3 pieces. So a 3 goes on the top of my fraction. And I can read this fraction 3/4. 3/4. And this is what 3/4 looks like. All right, let's come on over to this bird. We'll do it down here. So horizontal line, it's 1 piece. So we do a 1 on the bottom. I'm gonna color in 0 of it. So if I don't color it in, I write a 0 on the top. So this is 0 holes. It's empty. There's nothing there because I didn't color it in. All right. And that's the end of this worksheet. So you get to write your fractions. Let's read the fractions that we wrote. 1/4, 2/3, 3/3, 0/4, 1 whole, 1/3, 1/2, 2/2, 3/4, 0 holes. And you color in the circles to match the fractions that you wrote. Let me turn my camera. So look, that's just a little fraction practice. I hope you enjoy it, and it's fun because you get to come up with what the fractions will be depending on how many pieces you color in. So I hope you enjoy that, and have a good day. Bye-bye.